Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to Graded Sessions. Today, we will learn how to sort data within Excel files. So, sorting data is a common task in Excel, and Automation Anywhere provides useful tools to automate this process. By automating sorting, you can save time and ensure data accuracy. So, there are 4 steps to sort the data. First one is read the Excel file, then identify the column that you want to sort by, and set the sorting criteria, and then apply all these things, or then run the bot. This is the Excel file. It contains the list of the employees, and this list is sorted by the names. And I want to sort this by the occupation. Alright, so I will go to the control room, and here, first of all, we will open the Excel file. For this, we will use this open action of the Excel advanced package, and we are going to open this file, which is available in this A360 folder. And here we will give this sheet contains a header. We will check this sheet contains a header, and we are going to open it in the read write mode because we are going to make the changes in the Excel file. Then we will read all the data. We are going to read all the rows of the Excel file. So we are going to read all the data of the Excel file, and we are getting all the data in the table, data table. And after that, we will use the sort action of the data table package to sort this data table. And we can select the column by which we want to sort. For example, in this, we want to sort it by occupation, or by name, by age, by city. We can sort it in any order. We can sort by any column. I'm going to sort it by name, and select the order in which to sort, ascending or descending order. So already data is in the ascending order, and I'm going to sort this in the descending order. So I have selected descending. And then we will write the data from this data table to the Excel file, and at the end we will close the file. So let me close this file so that we can run the bot. And also, like, this file contains formatting. We have applied some formatting on this data, but when we write the data from the data table, then all this formatting will removed. So let me save and run the bot. And here we go, our bot is completed successfully. Let me open the Excel file. And here we go, we can see the names are sorted in the descending order. Similarly, we can sort this list with this occupation, with city, with age, anything. So just go to the Automation Anywhere and open the file, get all the data in the data table, then sort it as per your requirements. Let me show you again. And here we go, it has sorted the list by age. So this is all about today's video. Guys, do let me know if you need any help or any question. Okay, bye.